Hi there, it's Sue Tonks from HydroVeg, and it's been a long time since I saw all of you over at the shows over the last couple of years, and it's a real shame that we can't get to see you again this year. But I thought I'd let you know how HydroVeg is doing. Well, we've been doing absolutely fabulous in the lockdown. Lots of people wanting to grow stuff in their own gardens and have no soil or little space, or just can't manage a garden anymore. So HydroVeg is up and running. So here we are with the strawberries and courgettes, tomatoes, French beans. Everything's growing really nicely. And if you remember, there's no soil, just water and nutrients running through the system. So in this kit here, got 41 holes. We can grow up to 120 plants depending on what we're growing. As you can see, everything is looking really, really good. These just in for a couple of weeks, and they're doing really well. And over here is some stuff that we've put in. Beginning of end of March, we put these in, and this is the end of the last year's stock. So we're still eating from all of this. Some lovely broccoli there and kales, and so remember HydroVeg Kits. Have a look on the website again to remind you. It's www.hydroveg.co.uk, and we look forward to seeing you either when we deliver a kit or next year in the shows. Bye bye.